Now in homework 1, problem 2, the topic tells us that there are 100 people are waiting for a blood test, and the probability that for each person the test result in positive equals to 0.1, and it gives two methods. Because the topic let us calculate the number of the tests we need to do by the second method on the average. So we just talk about the second method. In the second method, 100 people into 10 groups with 10 people and there are 10 people in each group. Then mix 10 people's blood and test that mixture. If the result is negative, then everyone in this group is negative. If the result is positive, then we test these 10 people's blood one by one. So after we read this topic, I want to set a number x. X is a kind of number we don't know. So according to the topic, we know that x only equals to 1 or 11. When the result is negative, we know that the number of tests is equal to 1. And when it is positive, the number is equal to 11. So we got x, and we can use this x to calculate the number of the whole tests. So we set probability p x equals to 1 multiple 1 at p x equals to 11 multiples 11. That's the average number of the tests we need to do by the second method. So we need to calculate it. For px equals to 1, the probability is 0.9 with 10 square, because the positive for each person the test result, the probability is equals to 1 when it is positive. So if it is negative, the probability equals to 0.9. So everyone in this group is negative, so the probability is 0 is this. And then we add, so this is negative, so for positive 1, the probability is 1 subtract this. Then we multiply 11. Okay, that's the whole reason. Now because I don't have calculator near me, so I use Google. And now we can see the result. The result is nearly equals to 7.513. Okay, 7.51. We use 7.51. Okay, that's the result of this problem 2.